Welcome students, welcome to the maths class for class 3. In previous video, we have started with the lesson that is subtraction, and we have learned how to subtract 3-digit numbers with regrouping and without regrouping. So students, now in this video, we are going to learn how to subtract 4-digit numbers with regrouping and without regrouping. So let us start. I want everyone to open your textbook page number 46. So, today's topic is subtraction of 4-digit numbers. First will be without regrouping. Without regrouping. Yes, let us take the example which is given in the textbook itself. Subtract 6,342 from 8,573. Subtract, yes, 6,342. 342 from 8,573. Now let us start step by step. Now look here students. First we know that 8,573 is greater than 6,342. That is 8,573 is greater than 6,342. Means we have to subtract the smaller number from the greater number. Now both are 4-digit numbers. So what will be the first step? Arrange them in the columns of thousand, hundred, tens and ones. Now write down the greater number first. That is 8,573 will be written above. Then the smaller number, that is 6,342 will be written below. Minus. Give the minus sign and start subtracting from the ones column. 3 minus 2. What is 3 minus 2? It is 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. Subtract the tens. That is 7 minus 4. 7 tens minus 4 tens. It is 3. Now subtract the hundreds. 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3, it is 2. Now subtract the thousand. 8 minus 6. 8 minus 6 is 2. So whatever answer that we got after subtracting both the numbers is 2,231. So this example was without regrouping. We have to subtract the numbers without regrouping. So students, I hope you have understood this, how to subtract without regrouping. Now let us move to the next, that is how to subtract 4-digit numbers with regrouping. Again, it will be the examples, it will be the subtraction with regrouping. Again, previously I told you in simple language, regrouping is also known as borrowing. We have to borrow wherever it is necessary. So, subtraction of 4-digit numbers with regrouping. Here we have to regroup the numbers. Yes, let us take the first example. Page number 48. Open page number 48. Let us take the example which is on in the textbook. Subtract 4,968 from 7,873. Yes, 100, tens and ones. Now let us make the columns 1000, 100, tens and ones. Now which is the greater number, 4000 or 7000? 7873 is greater, so it will be written at the top. 7873 minus smaller number will be written below, that is 4968. Now subtract. Yes, subtract the ones. Now subtract 8 from 3. Only 3 fingers. Can you subtract 8 from these 3? No, it is not possible. So what we will do? We will borrow or we will ask tens to give 1 so that my ones digit gets increased. So I will borrow 1 from 7. If I borrow 1 from 7, here it remains 6. Now, and the one which I have borrowed, that is 1 ten. See here, 1 tens plus how much? 3 ones. 1 ten means 10 ones plus 3 ones. It becomes 30 ones. So it is 30. Now 13 minus 8. What is 13 minus 8? Yes, it is 5. 13 minus 8 is 5. Now subtract the tens. Now as we have borrowed 1 from 7, it became 6. Now 6 minus this 6, it is 0. Yes. Now subtract the hundreds. 8 minus 9. Again 9 is greater than 8. We cannot subtract 9 from 8. So what we have to do? We have to borrow 1 from 1000. Here it becomes 6 and here it becomes 18. 18 minus 9, that is 9. Now subtract the 1000. 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. 6 minus 4, 2. So what is the answer that we got after subtracting both the numbers? It is 2905. So in this example, we have borrowed or we have regrouped the tens and ones. Again we have regrouped the thousands and hundreds. So in this way we can solve the subtraction of 4-digit numbers with regrouping and without regrouping. I hope you have understood this. Now let us move to the exercise. Exercise number 3.3 and exercise number 3.4. Page number 47 and 49. Exercise number 3.3. Again, see here, find the difference. The first question is find the difference. They have already given you the thousands, hundred, tens and one columns and they have arranged the numbers and they are asking you to just subtract. You can solve it in the textbook itself. Yes. Now the second question, let us move to the second question. Write in columns and find the difference. Now here in this question we have to make the columns and then we have to find out the difference. So the second question is, let us take the first one. 2618 and 1506. Now these are the two numbers which we have to we have to find the difference. So what will be the first step? We have to write down the greater number first. We know that 2618 is greater than 1506. Now what we will do? We will arrange the numbers in the 1000, 100, tens and ones column. 1000, 100, tens and ones column. Write down the greater number first. 2618 and the smaller number 1506. Put the minus sign and start subtracting from the ones column. 1. Subtract the 100. 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5, 1. Subtract the 1000. 2 minus 1. It is 1. So what is the answer that we got after subtracting both the numbers? 1112. 1112. So students, in this way we have to subtract. Now this exercise is based on the subtraction without regrouping. Now let us move to the second exercise, that is exercise number 3.4. 3.4. The first question is find the difference. Find the difference. Again here they have given you the columns of 1000, 100, tens and ones. They have already arranged the numbers and they are asking you to just subtract. So I know that you can solve it properly in your textbook. So the first question will be a PH that you are going to solve in the textbook. Now let us move to the second question. Write in columns and find the difference. So students, first we are going to write the numbers in the columns of 1000, 100, tens and ones, and then we are going to find the difference. So let us take the first example. 2680 and 1539. Now here we are going to subtract these two numbers, or we are going to find the difference between these two numbers. So what will be the first step? Again we know that 2680 is greater than 1539. So make the columns 100, 1000, 100, tens and ones. Write down the greater number at the top, 2618, and the smaller number 1539. Minus. Now start subtracting from the ones column. 8 minus 9. Again 9 is greater than 8. I cannot subtract 9 from 8. So what we have to do? We have to regroup tens and ones. That means we have to borrow from the tens. Now here it is 1. If I borrow 1 from 1, here it becomes 0 and here it becomes 18. So 18. I can subtract 9 from 18. 18 is greater than 9. 18 minus 9. It is 9. Now subtract the tens. As we have borrowed from the tens, here it became 0. 0 minus 3. Is it possible to subtract 3 from 0? No, because 0 means nothing. I cannot subtract 3 from 0. So what I will do? I will borrow from 100. So here it becomes 5. Here it becomes 10. Now 10 is greater than 3. So I can subtract 3 from 10. So 10 minus 3. 10 minus 3. It is 7. Now subtract the hundreds. 5 minus 5. 5 minus 5. 0. 1000. Now subtract the thousands. 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. So what is the answer that we got after subtracting both the numbers? It is 1079. So students, you have to subtract the numbers in this manner. When they have not when they are asking you to write columns and find the difference. So students, exercise number 3.3 and exercise number 3.4, both the questions, that is question number 2 and from 3.3 and question number 2 from exercise 3.4, you have to copy it down in the notebook. The rest, first question, you can solve it in the textbook itself. So students, keep practicing and keep solving it. The more you practice, the more perfect you will become. So till then, stay safe and stay